In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add items to your Amazon wish list. This is a great way to keep track of the products you desire, whether you're planning a future purchase or just want to drop a hint for a perfect gift. Let's get started on making your wish list exactly what you want it to be. First, you'll need to navigate to the Amazon product page of the item you're interested in. This might be a book you've been eyeing, a gadget you've been meaning to pick up, or any other product that has caught your attention. Once you're on the product page, you'll notice several options laid out for you, such as adding the item to your cart or buying it immediately. But our focus will be on another option just beneath these buttons. You need to locate the Add to List option. It's conveniently placed right below the Add to Cart and Buy Now buttons. When you click on this drop-down menu, you will see a few options present themselves. This is where you can decide whether to add this product to an existing list or to create something entirely new. If you want to add this item to an existing list, simply click on the list you've already set up. Your item will be added immediately, and you'll be on your way to curating a well-organized wish list. If, however, this is the start of something new and fresh, select Create a List. A prompt will appear for you to name your new list, making it personalized and uniquely yours. This is particularly handy if you like to organize your lists by theme, such as books to read or home renovation ideas. Once you've had your initial fun with adding items to your lists, you may want to manage them further. To access this feature, hover over the Account and Lists option at the top of the page. A drop-down menu will appear, and you will see Your Lists among the choices. Click on this to enter a space where you have full control over the lists you've created. Here, you can view all of your lists in one place. You can also take the opportunity to rename any list to better fit its theme, delete a list if it's no longer serving its purpose, or even share a list with friends or family. This functionality is especially helpful for special occasions like birthdays or holidays when sharing a list can really make a difference. And that's it. You've successfully mastered the basics of adding and organizing items on your Amazon wish list. By following these steps, you'll ensure your online shopping experience is smooth, organized, and tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy list making!